Let's replace the headlamp assembly on this 2021 Chevy Colorado. The vehicle came in for a used vehicle inspection. It had a crack on the headlight assembly, so we're going to replace it. Let's start by removing those T15. There is about 8 of them on the so you can get the grill loose. The grill is a part of the bumper, by the way, so we're gonna get the bumper loose all the way through. So there is a 10mm right there on top of the license plate bracket. You need a 10mm and an extension to remove them. There's two of them. Now let's remove those 4 push pins. You're gonna use a trim tool like this to remove them. There is 4 of them. There it is. Now we're going to get the wheel liner off. Halfway, there is about 60-15 to remove, so you can get the wheel liner loose on both sides. I'm only replacing one headlight assembly, so I didn't have to remove the bumper all the way. I just get it loose enough so I can get enough room to remove the bumper. So remove those 7mm here. There is 3 of them, and see that side of the bumper will be loose. It will be the same on the driver's side right there. Remove those T15 and take the wheel liner halfway and remove the 7mm. Here it is. There you go. There's 3 of them. Remove all of them. And pull the bumper. You might need somebody to help you to do this, so the bumper don't fall off and break any wires. So you use the headlight. There is 4 7mm holding it in place, 2 on top and 1 on each side. We're going to remove the one on the side here. Here it is. And there is one on front behind the bumper. We're going to loosen it up because I'm not removing the whole bumper assembly to do this. I just get it loose enough so I can remove the headlight assembly. And now we're going to put the vehicle up in the air to remove those 7mm on each side, and there is a 15mm at the bottom, 2 of them. Let's remove them. Put the vehicle back down, and there is a pin here that's clipped to the body of the vehicle. We're going to pull it and take the headlight out, and there is only one connector to unplug. Here it is. You pull the red tab out and unplug it on the back of the headlight assembly. So here is the new one. We're going to put it in place. There it is. Line it up. Let's put those 7mm in place. There it is. And put the grill back in place. Now we're gonna put the 7mm in the front of the headlamp assembly. Now let's plug our headlight on. And we're going to put that 7mm on the side of the headlight assembly. Put the bumper back in place. Put all the bolts in. And that will be it, guys. It's the reverse of removal. And that's about it. It's very easy to replace the headlight assembly. You just be patient, that's all. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.